everybody? This is Wyatt from the Orange Den Garage, of course. Yeah, so I saw this gorgeous black M5. Sounded good. It was rolling next to me. I was out here doing Uber out here on a Saturday morning, like I normally do. And I was like, where is it going? And I had the customer in the car, and so happened to be that they were getting dropped off very close to where I was, where I saw that M5 going. M5 pulled into old ShopRite Plaza over here in Hartford, Park Street area, and yeah, it ended up being a car meet, and it was pretty dope. So I'm gonna show you guys what I saw. I know it's gonna sound like I don't know what I was saying or whatever, but yeah, so the video is actually before this was shot, so that's what I'm trying to say. So it was pretty dope. The M5 rolled up in there, ended up seeing a lot of different people. My boy Jarrell Ja from Bars and Cars, follow him on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram below. He has a dope IS 300, and he's talking about turboing it very soon. So I can't wait to see that. We gotta link up sometime real soon. So yeah, so anyways, I am going to show you guys what I saw. A lot of dope cars, a lot of different brands, all different types of brands. A lot of them sounded amazing. Yeah, I wish I had my TC right now to join them, but I just happen to be in the area, and Wyatt for the win. Hashtag Uber spotting. If you guys do Uber or Lyft and you spot dope cars, do hashtag Uber spotting. I'll leave that down here on the bottom. Even if you're a Lyft driver, whatever, it doesn't matter. But I just call it Uber spotting because that's what it seems like it's been going on. Follow our Instagram and you'll see a lot of cool cars that I've noticed while I've been out here Ubering and lifting. So hashtag Uber spotting for anything that you see. If you guys know any of these guys that are in this video that I end up posting, link them on the Instagram page at the Orange Den Garage on Instagram on our handle. And also, if you know them, you can tag them in the comments below as well, and I'll add them to the Instagram video as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. This is pretty dope. I'm pretty excited, and yeah, let's go get into it. Choop! What is up, everybody? What is up, everybody? About to do this little run by real quick with all my boys here. Hold on, flip the camera. There we go. All right. Get you guys up on IG later. Every weekend I always end up getting to one of these car meets. Didn't even know what's happening. Hopefully meet up with some. Sounds sick. Yeah. All right. Come on, let's heal, let's heal. All right. WX, this guy is dope. TODG. Hold on that light to change. All right. RS4, GTIs, STIs. Got it all out here. Wow, that Audi sounds all right. Oh man, that black. Man, I think I'm gonna get an STI. Yo, that is sounds dope. Yes, sir. Del Sol right here. Always, every weekend, guys, I find these meets out of nowhere out here doing some Uber and some Lyft. But you know what? We getting some video for the gram. Nice Beamers, got an M5. Sick. Good. Doing the rollout, coming up to the end. Now my boy from Bars and Cars, Jarrell here. Got a quick little picture. I had to come back around. I dropped something out from Uber. But now we over here. Always wanted T35. Sounds sick. Nismo 370 right there. Got a 350. RS3. Sounds good. That's at 370. Wow. What a TODG. Try to see some of these guys IG. Gonna try to tag them later. Hopefully everybody else tags whoever I didn't get. That would be dope. Yo. Oh, there goes. Nice cue. All right, Ja. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah. TODD out here. This IS sounds sweet. All right. That about closes it out, guys. I'm gonna throw this up on IG. Gonna throw this, make a little YouTube video. Yeah, Ja. Here is IS, the thing is purring. He said he's gonna turbo it up. I can't wait, we gotta link up soon. All right. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, there's the Orange Jet Garage, there's WYATT speaking. Come on through to these car meets, these quarantine car meets are freaking dope. I didn't realize that this was happening today. I ended up seeing my boy Ja from Bars and Cars here. Gonna, of course, tag him in this video. I'm gonna throw this up on Instagram, and also it's gonna be a YouTube video as well. So you guys check us out at the Orange Jet Garage. I'll leave the link below, all that, and this is awesome. Every time I come out here and do some Uber or Lyft, I end up meeting some more cool people. That was just a random, drive-by. I was bringing a customer to where they needed to go, and they were all out. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. More car meets coming up. Quarantine car meets. Doing these drives. Everybody stay safe out here. Still enjoy your car. Still enjoy having fun. There's the Orange Jet Garage. Like I said, I'm WYATT. Nice meeting you guys. And yeah, if you have anybody in that Instagram video that I don't tag, that I don't know, because I'm not sure who's actually here, I saw some little things on everybody's window that had some Instagram links, so I'm gonna like tag them. But if you know anybody else in the video that you don't, that I don't tag, please put them on there. And yeah, this is the Orange Den Garage, and talk to you guys soon. All right, have a good day, everybody. Have a fun weekend. This was dope. Later.